this video I will show you how a simple attachment of the GA1 adapter and the GW4 wide conversion lens can unleash a new photographic experience using the GR3. The GR3 has a wide range of accessories and functionalities that takes it from a grade street photography camera to a premium multi-purpose photographic tool. The GA1 adapter and the GW4 wide conversion lens are known to be excellent instruments for many photographic applications that require an ultra-wide-angle lens, such as landscape, architecture and food photography, or those situations where you need a dramatic perspective change for creative purposes. For more video content, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. The GA1 adapter is well built, is made of polycarbonate, it has a rear cap, and also there are 3 connector pins that allow the seamless transfer of the metadata to the GR3. This adapter is also essential to install the GW4 wide conversion lens. Lastly, this adapter has a connector switch that needs to be enabled once you want to dismount the lens from the camera. So the GW4 comes with 4 items apart of the lens itself: the front and rear lens cap, the rubberized lens hood, and the soft pouch for protection and storage. Specifically, the GW4 converter will take the focal length of the GR3 from 28mm to an ultra-wide angle of 21mm. This affects the field of view from 76 degrees to 92 degrees on the sensor diagonal. It is made of solid magnesium alloy. It has a 72mm filter thread which can accommodate ND filters and circular polarizing filters. I do recommend a shallow mount to avoid any light fall off. The optical scheme is composed of 4 elements in 3 groups. Thanks to its premium optical performance, this lens does not affect the light transmission on the sensor, preserving the maximum aperture of f2.8 of the 28mm lens of the GR3. Additionally, the multi-coating on the frontal element is a crucial feature in backlit situations. The lens flare is well controlled. A ghosting reflection is visible when shooting against light sources such as the sun, street lights and more. However, this is not a defect. It's a typical behavior of a 21mm ultra-wide-angle lens and can be easily avoided moving the camera and the lens away from the light source and using the provided lens hood. To connect the GA1 adapter with the GW4 wide lens converter, screw in the lens to the adapter. Next, install the lens hood on the GW4, making sure that the mark on the lens hood is perfectly aligned with the dot on the GA1 adapter. At this point, remove the metal ring from the front of your GR3 and align the mark on the GA1 adapter with this one on the camera, and rotate it clockwise until you hear the click. You may ask yourself, what's the benefit of using the adapter in conjunction with the 21mm wide-angle converter? Well, this will allow you to use the GR3 for many other photographic applications. The 21mm focal length, along with its 72mm filter thread, will allow you to accommodate a full-size square and circular NDs and polarizing filters for a broader creative leeway. For more real-world examples, check out our landscape photography video using these accessories with the GR3. Please leave your comments below and remember to like and subscribe to this channel to see the new upcoming content.